I think throughout my Vlogmas, the car is the only place I have been very less, because there were so many things that were happening. There was like literally the roads in Hyderabad are getting constructed during December because they'll get rid of those budgets and all of that. So my house, entire in and around my house, it was completely like khodified, and you know, they were doing all the new roads and all. So I could not take it out today. I did. Anyways, today we're gonna go try out the best hot chocolates in Hyderabad for this Christmas season. So I'm excited, and I'm gonna do it in Vlogmas. Definitely I'm gonna do it in Vlogmas, you guys. Hot chocolate. Yesterday I made a hot chocolate. I wanna shots the recipes that I use. The Ghirardelli's hot cocoa mix. I know I'm butchering the name of the company, but I really don't know the company's name. So that is literally how I'm gonna pronounce it. It's just not me. It's not like a single person going to try all the hot chocolates. No, I'm going to pick up Akshata. I'm on my way to pick up her, and my friend Akhil is going to join us. So we're all going to have like a lot of sugar rush today. So it's going to be a very sweet vlog. That is why I told you all yesterday in a Vlogmas video that tomorrow is going to be a very sweet vlog. It's not that sweet. It's literally sweet. Anyways, how are you enjoying Vlogmas? Let me know in the comment section, you guys. I can see a lot of you guys are not subscribed to my channel and are watching. Analytics tell us a lot of it. So please do subscribe. It'll mean a lot to me. You guys have no idea how big of a deal it is for you to subscribe, because whenever there's a new subscriber for me, but I'm going through, I'll check my YouTube studio twice a day because of my analytics or how the videos are doing and all of that. So whenever I see an increase in the number now, just in the house, there's nobody, I just yell out the number. Let's just suppose as of today I have 552 subscribers. So yesterday when it was 550, I started yelling, even though it is middle of the night. I'm like, 550, I hit 550 subscribers. I'm happy because everything is a milestone for me. I'm starting off at 0, so everything, there's no way down for this. This is only up and up and up. Anyways, let's go test some hot chocolates. I'm excited, you guys. I'm really excited for hot chocolates, because I have never had hot chocolates in my entire life. I was somebody who used to do you remember there's this Cadbury ka Oreo mix, like kind of a thing that you get? I have it in my house. That is literally what I had. I never went outside and I ordered a hot chocolate, so I'm excited about it. So let's go do that today. Yeah, I'm excited. Let's go.
Beyond coffee,
Where are we supposed to be? Hi Akhil.
Hi.
ఇందుకు వాటర్ బాటిల్ తెచ్చుకున్నాను.
వాటర్ బాటిల్ ఎందుకు తెచ్చుకున్నా అంటే హెల్త్ బాగాలేదు.
అంతేనా లేదా? హైదరాబాద్ వాటర్ బెంగళూరు రోడ్కి పడట్లేదా? నిజం చెప్పు.
అది కూడా ఒక రీజన్.
మై గాడ్. ఇవాళ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటో తెలుసా నీకు?
వ్లాగ్మాస్
కాదు
మరి.
ఇవాళ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటి చెప్పు? వీడియో వచ్చేసావు నువ్వు.
యా 5 చాక్లెట్ ప్లేసెస్.
హాట్ చాక్లెట్.
అలా టైం ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది.
నాకు కూడా అదే కాదు, ఒకటే.
ఓ
అన్ని ప్లేసుల్లో తినాలి. స్వీట్ వేసి చచ్చిపోవాలి మనం.
నాకు అర్థమైపోయింది ఈరోజు. నేను చచ్చిపోతే ఈరోజు అయితే.
చాలా కావాలేదు, ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇందుకే వస్తాం, వీటి దగ్గర వాటర్ ఉంది, మన కార్లో వాటర్ బాటిల్ ఉంది. ఇంత అనవసరంగా 60 రూపీస్ బొక్కది.
మనం యూజ్ చేయకపోతే పే చేయక్కర్లేదు కదా.
అది ఉంటే యూజ్ చేస్తాం మనం. సరే. We are at Zuki to try our first hot chocolate. Hi Aksa. That's why I told you it's cute.
Hi.
We're trying out Zuki's first hot chocolate. Let's try it. Bale. I don't want it like this. I want it a little more thicker.
See, it's not thicker.
Dude, this is Lindt ka dark chocolate in water, that's all. I remember Lindt ka taste because అరే మొన్న నేను ఈ డబ్బాలు తెచ్చుకొచ్చినా కదా నేను. You will hate it so much. Akshita will hate it so much.
అది చూస్తే అర్థమవుతుంది కదా.
It's very hot, that's nice. But it is literally Lindt ka dark chocolate in water. ఏం చేసినా వస్తాను. ఓకే ట్రై.
నేను మరీ ముందుకు వచ్చేసాను. It's hot, huh?
Yeah, it's hot though. Isn't it like Lindt ka dark chocolate? I gave you the chocolate, you idiot.
Yeah.
Akhil?
అలా చేసుకున్నాను.
ఏది?
No, it's okay. You can have it. Try. Akhil, నీకు అసలు 1 frame సరిపోవట్లేదు తెలుసా, 0.5 పెట్టాలి నీకు. చెప్పు.
It's not good.
But how does it taste?
It's like chocolate and water. I don't know the flavor actually.
Okay, if you'll have to rate this, how much will you rate it for?
1 out of 5.
ఇంత గట్టి చెప్పినావు నువ్వు?
2.5.
Okay, I would give this like a, because I like dark chocolate, I might give it like a 1.5.
Actually, then I should give it 0.
Only for the taste I'm giving 2.5.
You know what? During
But
summers,
the thickness and all.
కాదు లింట్ డార్క్ చాక్లెట్ సమ్మర్ సీజన్లో మనం టీవీ చూస్తే పక్కన పెట్టినాం అనుకో, లిటరల్లీ ఇలా మెల్ట్ అవుతుంది అది లిటరల్ మెల్ట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ లిటిల్ థిక్కర్ బట్ నాట్.
It should be a little more thick. Chocolate and I expect this.
Yeah.
If this is the expectations I'm going into for hot chocolate, I don't want to. I can make it in the house. Hey, Nina, I made Lalit hot chocolate. I tasted it anyways, obviously. Just గిరాడలి హాట్ కోకో మిక్స్ వాటర్ కాదు మిల్క్లో వేసాను నేను. దట్ ఈస్ థిక్కర్ దెన్ దిస్. యా, ఇట్ మైట్ నాట్ బీ ద సేమ్ ఇట్ డిడ్ నాట్ లుక్ లైక్ అ చాక్లెటీ థింగ్, బట్ దట్ మేక్స్ ఇస్ మచ్ బెటర్ దెన్ దిస్. అండ్ మై టంగ్ ఇస్ ఆల్ డార్క్ చాక్లెటీ అండ్ ఐ డోంట్ లైక్ ఇట్. If I'm ever found dead, it is because of her. I am going to be bankrupt. Bankrupt kuda dare emantaru.
See, we can
You
go
should
to
declare
Mumbai
bankruptcy.
Also. We can go to Mumbai also, but no one will be there.
Zuki is not that great. I don't know, maybe local food we've never tried. Hot chocolate is not that great. And I know for a fact Hyderabad lo hot chocolate చేయడం రాదని. అసలు ఇండియాలోనే రాదని నాకు చాలా నమ్మకం ఎందుకు దాని.
మొన్న ట్రైడెంట్ లో బాగా చేశాడు అబ్బా.
ట్రైడెంట్ లో పైసలు కూడా ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి అబ్బా.
But I feel that కదా అరోమాలో కాఫీ తాగినాం.
Aroma's coffee was so nice. But thick richness. This is at Steve Madden. This is sale and Steve Madden వస్తా. Buy 2 get 2.
Buy 2 get 2.
Why? అనవసరమా ట్రిప్ అవసరమా? We already have too many. That's what too many products we have.
Already we're at cafe number 2. This is Fonse Chocolate Cafe. What up? 3. She has so much namakam on me. I never take like proper photographs for her. She always cries. And yeah, we are trying on a spontaneous trip. We're just planning it. I don't know whether it's gonna happen or no, because I'm literally gonna get bankrupt after that.
I think this is thicker
This
than
is thicker than Zuki. Let's try. Excitement, man. It's very hot. I'll try one without. They give 3 cute marshmallows that are nothing enough, but still. Let me try it with this spoon only first. It's the same.
I
It's
like
the
this
same.
one. Hot chocolate like this going on.
It's the same taste.
Inga
This is much lighter. One minute. This is much lighter than that, but it's the same. Imumari, I can feel it's the same. Okay, let me try with marshmallow. Just put one low. Don't put marshmallows.
Marshmallows don't put.
They're not nice. And these are not the marshmallows.
Yeah,
Those white ones you're supposed to. S'mores is supposed to be. Try.
Marshmallows are not good thing actually.
Okay.
In hot chocolate.
It's very hot though. Careful.
Yeah, I can see the fumes coming out.
This is lighter than that, but it is the same taste.
Some better than that. It's a little
Same
better.
taste.
And chale we are done. I want some nice coffee income.
How much will you give it? Rate it?
3.
Because manadharki taste.
We felt
Tells
the
in
same taste.
Don't you feel there's a lighter darkness than the other one?
Yeah. And the other thing is like it's super hot compared to Zuki.
It's very, very hot. It's like a typical hot chocolate, but
Yeah.
I have an idea. Dip the croissant in the hot chocolate.
okay.
I don't think so. It's a good combination.
No, it is because they make that pan or chocolate, no? That's alane chestam.
మొత్తం ఎందుకు డిప్ చేసినామే అట్లా
It side dip చేసి. Better to eat this with this than plain.
Yeah, than plain.
ఒక నియాన్ ఉందేనే అది మస్తు నచ్చింది నాకు.
స్కెచర్స్లోనా సరే పోదాం పదా ట్రై చేయడంలో తప్పలేదుగా దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ ఐశ్వర్య తీసుకుంది ఇది కదా నో వాట్ ఐ వాస్ థింకింగ్ ఇస్ దిస్
ఒకటే ఉంది
ఓకే అవి రెండు ట్రై చేయి ఫేవరెట్ రోస్టరీ కాఫీ హౌస్ ఫర్ ట్రైయింగ్ అవుట్ ది థర్డ్ హాట్ చాక్లెట్ ఆఫ్ ద డే I'll see you guys once we have the hot chocolate. Let's try the roasteries hot chocolate. అక్కడ నా దగ్గర రావా ఎందుకు అట్లా
అది జరపలేను బాబు. ఇట్స్ అ బిట్ టూ బిటర్.
It is bitter, but
like a proper hot chocolate.
I don't know. It's like a typical hot chocolate, whatever we've had. So what I've realized is either I should actually go home and Google what a recipe of hot chocolate looks like. Do they put dark chocolate in hot chocolate?
Yeah.
This is little less sour than the others. Sour and bitter.
Should be too much bitter on them?
This is less bitter, right? Aditi, this is what Nutella blend. It's less bitter than those that we tried.
Actually, yeah. It's good.
అదే చెప్తున్నా కదా బాగుంది. It's less bitter than those that we've tried. Much better. I'll give like a 4. I like it. Okay. So how much will you rate the roastery ka hot chocolate?
It was good. It was better than all of them.
I'll give it like a 3 or 4.
Half of it ante it's like good.
Ikkade kada left. I feel like this hot chocolate na it is almost similar to no, it's not similar to anything, but I feel like you can have this hot chocolate like once or twice. Anidi na opinion. Hi guys, I got back home and it's around 11:30 and yeah, it's around 11:30 and we thoroughly enjoyed whatever we did today. Oh my god, the hot chocolates were so much for my stomach. When I came back home, I could physically not even think about a sweet. It kind of gave me the after boo-boos for everything. But apart from that, I do have something very, very exciting in tomorrow's Vlogmas video. So stay tuned for that. And I'm going to end the video right here. Even before ending, I'm going to rate all of my all of my hot chocolates. The first one I'd give it to Roastery Coffee House. The second one is for Fonzie Chocolate. And the third one is for Zuki. The Zuki one I think has like 99% of dark chocolate. Not a fan of it. But those are the top 3 hot chocolates for me. I know I started off this vlog by top 5. But we could physically not take so much sweetness, you guys. I hope you understand. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead hit the like button. If you want to see such kind of videos, let me know in the comment section down below. Come join my family. It'll mean a lot to me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
Da, 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 making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep.